Hey everybody, so we got a quick tool haul from Walmart. This item is made by Sta-Bil. It's their original fuel stabilizer. It is actually cheaper at Walmart. It's $8.88 at Walmart for a 32-ounce bottle instead of like $12.99 or $13-14, something like that at Home Depot. So please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. Alright everybody, so these two bottles I picked up at Walmart for $8.88. A previous video I showed that I have the Sta-Bil 360, which is ethanol treatment and stabilizer. It's basically the red Sta-Bil for storage, but this also protects ethanol damage in small engines. You can also use it in trucks, cars, SUVs, motorcycles, anything you could think of to put it in. I picked these up just in case. I'm thinking I have probably about, I don't know, 15 gas cans, probably 5 or 6 5-gallons. I have 2 or 3 2.5 gallons. I have like 5 or 6 2 gallons. I have, I think, 10 or so 1 gallons. They're all empty gas cans that over the years I've come across, never been used. And with all the coronavirus things going around and certain stores closing, I'm thinking of putting gas in all of those cans and putting a little bit of this in it to keep the fuel stable for a year. It says keeps fuel fresh for up to 24 months, which is 2 years, but that's something I don't believe. You know, I believe 1 year, especially in the state of Arizona. We get really hot summers. This bottle is 32 fluid ounces or 1 quart. Treats up to 80 gallons. I picked up 2 because I was having a hard time getting anything at Walmart. I actually had to drive to Casa Grande to pick these up because Casa Grande's the only one with these bottles. Santan, Queen Creek, Gilbert do not have them. But for $8.88, it's pretty killer deal because I'm pretty positive it's either $12 or $14 or $15, something like that at Home Depot for these bottles. So just a quick little haul. Sta-Bil makes good products. I actually have some of this in my Excursion's gas tank because I didn't take any of the fuel out of it, and that fuel is still good. It's only been like a year or so, like a year and a half. I siphoned some gas out of that tank because I needed some gas for another vehicle, and no problems. It does have a filler neck, quarter, half, 3/4, 1 ounce. What I like about these bottles is what I'm going to do on one of these bottles when they're empty. I'm actually going to fill, if I can't find the 32-ounce bottles of the 360, which you can buy them, but if I can't find them locally, and because I don't want to order them online, I will just buy a bunch of these bottles, the 10-ounce or the 8-ounce bottles, and I'll just open this cap and fill the bottle. That's what I like about these, is these you specifically can refill the bottle and reuse the feature on it. So if I can find the Sta-Bil 360 locally, I'll just pick the 32-ounce bottle up, and then I'll have, you know, 3 refillable bottles, these 2 and the 360, because the great thing about these style bottles is if you want, you can buy these in a gallon or 5-gallon buckets, and you could just keep filling these bottles if it's more convenient for you to put it in, you know, a bag or something if you're going somewhere. But just a quick little video of some things I picked up. Please like, comment, subscribe. I appreciate your guys' time and hanging out with me today. Hope all is well and everybody is safe through the coronavirus pandemic or scare or whatever you guys would like to call it. Leave your comments down below if you guys want to talk about the coronavirus. No big deal. I appreciate your guys' time again. Please like, comment, subscribe. Hit the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.